Hello AIS middle school family, it's me Mr. Alex, and in today's video I'm going to be talking to you about what to do with your syllabus after you've written it and how we can share it with parents and students. Alright, I'm going to just go down here in the corner. So the first step is we need to get that template and we need to fill it out. So I'm going to be working with one that I wrote here and I'm going to save it. So when you are done writing, then go ahead and proceed to this step with this video. If you haven't written it yet, go ahead and pause my video and write it now. Okay, so our first step is I'm going to go into my Google Classroom and please go to classwork. I know in the past we had an about section where we could post our syllabus, but unfortunately Google has changed the game. So this time we're going to be posting it under classwork. You can go to the create button here and please create a new topic. Let's call your topic course materials. Okay, so this should be anything ongoing, like your grading policy, your syllabus, maybe even a rubric. Anything that's an essential ongoing document is going to be living in your course materials topic. Okay, so now let's go ahead and create an assignment. I know that reading a syllabus is not an assignment, but when a student marks it as finished, it indicates almost like a contract that he or she has read it. So after a lot of discussion, Mr. Ben and I in the middle school felt like this was probably the best way to proceed. Okay, so for the title, let's go ahead and call it Syllabus. And we might write for instructions, please read the attached document and mark it complete after you've read it. Okay, for points, ungraded, due date, I would also say no due date, and topic, let's make sure to add that course material topic. All right, now we can select it from our Google Drive or we can attach it from our computer. I recommend using Google Docs. I think it's more organized, but for the sake of saving time, I'm going to just go ahead and attach it from my computer. Okay, let's go ahead and upload it. And I think I've got mine right here. Great, let's open that. Okay, and it's going to upload after I click upload pretty quickly. Okay, and finally for your permission, I recommend students can view file. We don't want them to edit your syllabus, and we don't really need them to have a copy for each person. We just need them to be able to view it. Okay, and finally, do you want it for all of the different sections of your class? I'm just going to put it for one, but you might have 4 or 5 different sections that also need to see it, so you should probably select that. And for all students in all classes. Okay, and you can click Assign. Great. So now you'll have course materials for these kind of ongoing things, and I recommend that you treat it, again, as assigned, meaning you have not read it, and after you have read it, you should mark it completed and show that it's been turned in. Okay, so that's step 1. Step 2, let's go ahead and jump over to Plus Portal, and I'll log in. So when I'm in Plus Portal, we're probably used to going to Gradebook, but actually now we're going to go to the class description by clicking on the link up above. So I teach a design and technology class to 6th grade. That's what this strange name means. So I'll click that. All right, you can click on Edit, and you can see now I have something that looks like Google Docs or Microsoft Word. Go ahead and paste the entire section that goes down to the stock part that everybody has on their syllabus. I believe that's around the 2nd page. All right, so what you're going to do is copy from the very top. Sorry, we're going to copy from course info. And we can copy that, and then we can switch back and paste it in. So I've got course title, course description, textbook, course materials, expectations. Great. And sometimes when you paste, you can see I have a couple weird things like the number 1 keeps getting listed. Just pay attention to that when you paste it. Sometimes things paste strangely. Cool. So that looks a lot better. And then I'm going to click Save. Next to it is this great button that says copy. Go ahead and click on copy. It says copy class summary to other sections. Yes, we want the second one. And next. Okay, now it lists all of my sections. So I don't need it for advisory, but I need it for all of my other design and technology classes. So I'm going to just select all those. Great. And I'll click copy. And it says the class summary will be copied to the following sections. Any existing class summary in these sections will be overwritten. Do you want to continue by overriding what's there? In my other sections, they're blank. So it's going to overwrite a blank page. So yeah, go ahead and click yes. Okay, and it's been copied. Done. The very last step is to scroll all the way down to the bottom, and you have this section here that says Files. So let's go ahead and click Add New from my computer. And you can select that file again and click Open. Okay, let's write a really quick description and say, this is the course syllabus. And let's also select all of our different sections of our class. I teach many different sections of this one class, so that's why I have so many, but you might have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, or I'm not sure how many. Okay, and click Save. I'm going to click Cancel because I've already done it, but you would click Save. Okay, and then there you go. You have a document kids and families can click on, and they can download their own version, like you can see here, and read your syllabus. All right, that's the end of our video. Please feel free to email me at alex.mcmillan@ais.edu.vn. I'm happy to help you out with any of your syllabus posting questions. See you next time. Bye.